Have you ever thought about starting your own cooking blog? Imagine a place where your culinary adventures, your tried and true recipes, and your top secret cooking tips are shared with the world. Picture the delight as others learn from your expertise, whipping up their own versions of your dishes. It's about more than just food, it's about community, connection, and the universal language of cuisine. And the best part? You're at the helm, steering this delicious journey. Starting a cooking blog can be a fun and rewarding venture. Firstly, choose your niche. This is a crucial step in the process of setting up your cooking blog. The niche you choose will become the beating heart of your blog, the very essence that will draw in your readers and build a community of passionate food lovers around your content. You could decide to specialize in a particular cuisine. It could be the mouth-watering richness of Italian food, the complex flavors of Asian cuisine, or perhaps the hearty comfort of traditional British fare. Alternatively, you might choose to focus on a specific dietary preference, such as vegan, gluten-free, or ketogenic recipes. Then again, your niche could be a distinct cooking style. Quick and easy recipes for the busy individual, gourmet dishes for the home chef looking to impress, or perhaps fun and easy meals for beginner cooks or busy parents. Remember, the niche you choose should be something you're passionate about. Your niche will give your blog a unique identity. Next, select a platform and pick a memorable domain name. Now, the choice of platform is crucial because it's like the foundation of your house. It supports all that you build. You have options like WordPress, Blogger, Squarespace, and Wix. WordPress is a favorite amongst bloggers because of its high customizability. But if you're looking for something more straightforward, platforms like Wix or Squarespace offer easy-to-use templates. Now let's talk about domain names. This is the address where internet users can access your blog. It's like the signboard on a shop, so it should be catchy and memorable. It should resonate with the theme of your cooking blog. For instance, if you're focusing on vegan recipes, something like Vegan Vibes could work. Once you've decided on a name, you can register it with a domain registrar like GoDaddy or Namecheap. Setting up your blog is the next step. Each platform will have its own set of instructions, but generally it involves choosing a design, laying out your pages, and picking a theme that suits your style. Think of this as setting up your shop interior. You want to create an inviting space that reflects your personality and the vibe of your blog. With these steps, your cooking blog will start to take shape. Keep in mind though, this is just the beginning. The real magic happens when you start filling it with your delicious recipes and cooking tales. But that's a topic for another scene. Now, it's time to create high-quality content. The beating pulse of your blog will be the content you produce. It's your stage to share your culinary world, and it's as diverse as your imagination. Recipes are the cornerstone of a cooking blog. Whether it's a simple pasta dish or a gourmet 5-course meal, your readers will be eager for your unique take on food preparation. But it doesn't end there. Cooking tips and kitchen hacks can be invaluable to your audience. Teach them how to dice an onion without tears or the secret to making the perfect roux. Your expertise can transform their kitchen experiences. Don't forget about food photography tutorials. A picture is worth 1,000 words, especially when it comes to food. High-quality images can make your recipes come alive, enticing readers to try them out. And of course, engaging writing is essential. Your words should be as appetizing as the dishes you're describing. Your content will be the heart of your blog. Finally, promote your blog and consider monetization options. The digital world is your oyster and social media platforms are your pearls. Use Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter to showcase your culinary creations and share your blog posts. Engage with your audience, respond to their comments, and take part in cooking communities online. This not only attracts readers, but also builds a sense of camaraderie and community. Now let's talk money. Once you've built up a readership, you can start exploring various monetization options. Display advertising and sponsored content can be a good starting point. Affiliate marketing is another avenue where you recommend products you trust and earn a commission on any sales made through your link. You could also sell digital products like ebooks or online cooking courses. Remember, stay consistent, engage with your audience, and above all, keep your passion for cooking alive. Like a good stew, a successful blog needs time to simmer to perfection.